All right, big news coming in right now. The Prime Minister has spoken to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and has directed that immediate and strict action needs to be taken against those who are behind the horrific rape and murder in Hathras. An SIT has already been constituted, like I told you earlier, and now that SIT has been told to submit a report within a week. Parveena is live with me from Hathras. If you have the family with you or officials with you, tell us what's happening right now and how are they reacting to the directions that have been given now to the state government by the Prime Minister for immediate and expedient action. Parveena.
Well, we spoke to the DM and also the SP of Hathras, and both say that, everything was done in consent with the family, and we had the permission of the father, and the father has been telling us since morning that no kind of permission was taken from him, and he was not allowed to see along with his family for one last time. Right now you can see, angry family members once again, failed to get the DM to speak to them, and the entire neighborhood has come running that they need an answer directly from the authorities as to why they were not allowed, why such behavior at 2:40 a.m. that they could not wait till morning, but they could not get hold of the DM as the police did not really allow them to reach him. While we asked these difficult questions to the DM and SP, they too didn't have an answer, and all that they said, everything happened in consent, ma'am. You have to ask them why are they saying this. We did take the permission from the father, and whatever rest people we did not allow. They were far distant relatives, and we did not want any chaos because a lot of people gathered late at night, and we did not want any untoward incident, and the law and order should be under control, and hence we took the decision whatever was to be taken. And also the DM said that the father was there. The father was there when the last rites were taking place, or the cremation had happened at 2:40 a.m. The father was there, and he did tell us that he will take care of the family and will make them understand that how the situation demands that all their relatives and family.
This is very easily verifiable. The family has one version. The DM is putting out another version. We're going to get to the bottom of this, because if the government is now trying a cover-up, the police is trying a cover-up, it will be called out. I'm taking a quick break. Coming back to you, Parveena, in just a bit.